students. Today I am going to do NCERT exemplar trigonometric functions objective questions. This is my second video. The previous video I have done around 15 questions. Today also I am going to do another 15 questions. Multiple choice, single answer, multiple choice questions. See the problem now. So yesterday after 15, the remaining problems now. Cos 2 theta, cos 2 phi, cos 2 theta, cos 2 phi, cos 2 theta, cos 2 phi, plus sin square of theta minus phi, plus sin square of theta minus phi, minus sin square of theta plus phi is equal, they are asking this result, they are asking which is equal to cos 2 theta cos 2 phi plus sin square of theta minus phi minus sin square of theta plus phi equal to, they are given four options, they are given. So the first option sin 2 of theta plus phi, the second option cos of 2 into theta plus phi, third option sin of 2 into theta minus phi, and fourth option cos of 2 into theta minus phi. These are the four options they are given. Now you can see cos 2 theta cos 2 phi, sin square of theta minus phi minus sin square of theta plus phi. To solve this problem, you should remember sin square A minus sin square B. So you remember, suppose this is A, we can say this is B. If we consider sin square A minus sin square B, you remember sin square A minus sin square B. So it should be equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. If we use that formula, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So same thing you can use the formula here, sin square minus sin square B, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So this problem will become cos 2 theta cos 2 phi. If I apply this sin of A plus B, see, plus sin of A plus B, add these two angles. So this will become 2 theta and sin of A minus B, difference of these two, minus 2 phi will come. Minus 2 phi. Now you can see a sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So sin of minus 2 phi, the minus will come and this will become minus sin 2 theta sin 2 phi, right? This one as it is. Just here you can see cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This will be cos of A plus B. So you will get 2 theta plus 2 phi. So this is your answer, right? The second option is your answer. Cos of 2 into theta plus phi. Now I am going to explain the second problem. The next problem. Just look at the next problem. The next problem is the value of cos 12 degrees. The value of cos 12 degrees plus cos 84 degrees plus cos 156 degrees plus cos 132 degrees. Cos 132 degrees. They are asking to find that value. Cos 132 degrees. So I repeat here, cos 12 plus cos 84, cos 156, cos 132 degrees they are given. So they are given options here. 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. So these are the four options they are given. Here only the possibility we have to simplify this. We should apply cos C plus cos D. So what is cos C plus cos D formula? You remember cos C plus cos D. So if you think cos C plus cos D equal to cos C plus cos D, 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Just remember this formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. If we use this, I am going to make it group. This is one group, this one. So I will make this is one group, I will make it. So this is another group. So apply cos C plus cos D. This will become 2 cos C plus D by 2. 12 plus 132. You will get 12 plus 132 by 2. So you will get 144 by 2. You will get again cos C minus D by 2. 12 minus 132. You will get 12 minus 132. You will get minus 120 by 2. And this one plus again you will get same thing 2 cos C plus D by 2. Same thing you can check that you can add this one C plus D by 2. You will get 240 degrees by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Again C minus D by 2. 84 minus 156. You can simplify this. The saying here, the difference you can see here 72 degrees by 2. 70 by 2. You can simplify now. This will become 72 degrees. 2 cos 72. This is 2 cos minus 60, right? But we know that cos of minus theta, cos theta. This is cos 72 degrees. We will get cos 72 degrees. Now you can write here. So 2 cos 72 degrees. Here cos of minus 60. So cos theta, cos 60 degree. Cos of minus theta, cos 60. This will become 1 by 2. So this is cos, this is 120 degrees. So you can write 120 degrees. Cos 120 minus 1 by 2. This is cos 36 degrees. So this one I can eliminate 2. Cos 72 is nothing but sin 18. This value we know that cos 72 sin 18 we have root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus cos 36 or root 5 plus 1 by 4. You simplify this, root 5 minus root 5 get cancelled. You get minus 2 by 4. Answer is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, that will be your answer. Just apply 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. Again, cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. You will get, even if C minus D by 2 means you will get minus 72 by 2. But cos of minus theta, cos 36. Same way here also. Cos of minus 60, cos 60. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So that's the reason you get these are the angles. You simplify, your answer will be minus 1 by 2. Now the next problem. If tan A equal to 1 by 2, if tan A is equal to 1 by 2, tan A equal to 1 by 2, tan B equal to 1 by 3, then they are asking tan of 2A plus B. What about this value? Tan of 2A plus B equal to. So this is the problem they are given. Tan A, tan B is given. Then of tan of 2A plus B. Options is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Which option is right? So here is a tan 2A plus B. Better you find tan 2A. So what is tan 2A? So if you think tan 2A, 2 tan A by, you will get 1 minus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So tan A we know 1 by 2. So this you can replace, this is 1 by 2. So you will get this is 3 plus 1 by, this is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. So you will get this value 4 by 3. Tan 2A equal to 4 by 3. Now you expand this. So tan 2A plus B. Tan 2A plus tan B by 1 minus tan 2A tan B. So you can write tan 2A. This is 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. You simplify this. If I simplify this one, you will get 5 by, you will get, you can see 9 minus 4, 5 by 5. It gives 1. The answer is 1. You will get, you can see here, the result will be, you can observe here, what I have written here, you will get 5 by So I written tan 2a. Correct. So tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. You written right. 2 tan 1 minus tan square a. So 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 1 minus, you got this one 1 by 4. You will get this one 4 by 3. Now you can substitute the value 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. So here this will get, you can add this one 4 plus 1 5 by 3 by, you will get this one 5. You can also see 4 plus 1, you will get 5 by 3. You can observe this one. So I think you will get this is 5 by 3 into, correct, this one 5 by 3, and here you will get this is 9 by 5. So the result will be 3. The result will be 3. Simply to be careful here. Correct, you should be careful with the simplification. You will get this is 5 by 3 by, you will get 9 by 5. So the answer will be 3. Next one, the value of sin pi by 10, the value of sin pi by 10, sin 13 pi by 10. What about these two values? The product is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 1. They are asking to find this value. When they are asking to find this value, you can observe here, in this value, sin pi by 10 is nothing but sin 18 degrees. So 13 pi by 10, this one I can write. This 13 pi by 10 I can replace. This is sin, I can write pi by 10. This one I can write. You can see, you can observe here. This one I can write. So the combination of this pi minus 3 pi by 10. Now I can add this one 10 pi plus 13 pi by 10, right? Pi plus, correct, you will get pi plus 3 pi by 10. Pi plus 3 pi by 10. So sin 180 plus theta, third quadrant. Third is also of tan and cot. Sin will become negative. For pi there is no change. You will get sin pi by 10 into, you will get minus of sin 3 pi by 10. Correct? You will get this one. So you will get sin pi by, you get minus, you can write minus of, so I can consider minus of sin pi by sin 18. The value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin 3 by, this minus I have written here, sin 3 by 10. So sin 54 degrees is nothing but cos 36 degrees. So this will become root 5 plus 1 by 4. So remember, sin 18 degrees will be always root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 degrees, root 5 plus 1 by 4 is also nothing but sin 54 degrees. These two are same, right? Sin 54 cos 36 both are same. Sin 18 cos 72 also both are same. If I simplify this minus, you will get 16. This is 5 minus 1, 4 by 16 minus 1 by 4. Your answer is minus 1 by 4. So most frequently I am going to use sin 18 is nothing but cos 72. Again sin 54 and cos 36. So you remember these values always. Root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Root of 5 minus 1 by 4. Right. The next one. So the next problem. Again they are asking here the value of sin 50 degrees. The value of sin 50 degrees minus sin 70 degrees plus sin 10 degrees. They are asking to simplify. This is equal to, so this is equal to, they are asking 1 0 1 0 1 by 2 and 2. So these are the given options. Now in this problem, clearly you can see sin 50 plus sin 10, I will add this. I will apply sin C plus sin D. So what is the formula of sin C plus sin D? You remember, sin C plus sin D means 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. You can use this formula. If you use this, here you will get 2 sin c plus d, 50 plus 10, 60 by 2, 2 side 30 degrees, cos difference 50 minus 10, 40 by 2, 20 degrees, minus sin 70. So sin 70, can I replace this 90 minus 20? 70. Now sin 30. So 2 into 1 by 2, cos 20. Sin 90, 90 minus 20 is 70. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, first quadrant. So it will be cos 20 degrees. Cos 20 minus cos 20, 0. This answer is 0. Right. After that, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, the next problem. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, then the value of sin 2 theta, then the value of sin 2 theta equal to, they are asking 1, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1. These are the options. 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1. So in this problem, you can observe here, they are given this result. They are asking sin 2 theta. Just to take the squaring on both sides. If we do squaring on both sides, sin theta cos theta whole square equal, you can write this value, I can write 1 square. I can write this one. So it's squaring on both sides. So sin square theta cos square theta 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Right, equal to 1. I can find it here. So this will become, so this is sin 2 theta, right? So we know this is 1 plus this is 1. So sin 2 theta equal to 0. I can mark right. Sin 2 theta equal to 0. Correct. Even you can verify. Suppose for example, you are not doing another way also, you can do that. We are not doing like this another way. Put theta equal to 0. Put theta equal to 0. Suppose if you take theta equal to 0. 0 radians. This sin 0. Sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. Satisfying this. So 0 you can substitute here. Sin 0, 0. So answer is 0. I can mark like this also. This is another way. So otherwise you take theta equal to 90. Sin 91, cos 90 is 0. Substitute sin into 2 into 9, sin 180, 0. That way also you can solve this problem. Now, see the next problem. If we do this another one, if alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, they are asking then the value of 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta. They are given alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, then 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta equal to, so they are asking that value 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 2, none of these. 1, 2, minus 2, none of this. So they are asking that value. Now you can check here. When they are given alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, they are asking this result. So you get this one, you can simply, we can see here, if I expand this will come, actually that result will come 1 plus tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan alpha tan beta. So this is the given expression is this. If I expand 1 plus tan alpha plus tan beta tan alpha tan beta. So this one. So this result, if I find this result, you will get the required value. You take alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Apply tan on both sides. Tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan pi by 4. So you expand tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta equal to 1. Just do the cross multiplication. You will get tan alpha plus tan beta 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. You transfer this one this side. Tan alpha transfer tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan alpha tan beta is equal to 1. So your answer is 1 plus 1. So the result is 2. We can know the result will be 2. The next one. If sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5, if sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5, see here, even in this problem you can also see here when you have taken this problem. So is there any other procedure to the previous problem? Yes, the given alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. So 1 plus tan alpha and 1 plus tan beta means I can also think another way. Suppose if sum is equal to pi by 4, alpha equal to 0, so beta is equal to pi by 4 if you take, you will get 1 plus 0, tan 0, 0, tan 45, 1, it gives 2. This also will solve the problem. You can use a technique like this. You take alpha equal to 0, beta equal to pi by 4, 1 plus tan 0, you can solve 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus tan 45 is 1, I can substitute like this. Any one of the value is 0, another value pi by 4, you can solve it. This was you can solve the problem. Next, if sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5, sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5, and theta lies in third quadrant, theta belongs to third quadrant. Third quadrant, they are asking cos theta by 2. Theta belongs to third quadrant, they are asking what is cos theta by 2. So they are asking about that value of cos theta by 2. When they are asking cos theta by 2, you can use here now, you can remember we have one formula here that also will remind you. The answers is given here 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10, 1 by root 10, minus 1 by root 5, minus 1 by root 5, 1 by root 10. So these are the options they are given, 1 by root 10, cos theta by. First we know that theta belongs to second quadrant, right? So theta belongs to third quadrant. So it will become pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. I want theta by 2. I should know the position of theta by 2. So by 2 you divide pi by 2 less than theta by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Then theta by 2 belongs to second quadrant, right? Second quadrant, cos theta by 2 negative. So I can write cos theta by 2 equal to minus root of formula we know that I can write 1 plus cos theta by 2. So I can use minus of, you should know 1 plus cos theta by 2. I know sin theta. If we use triangle method here, so this is theta, 4, 5, this will be 3, 9. We'll get 25 minus 16, 9 will be 3, 9 is 3 square will be 3. So I will get here from this I can find here cos theta equal to, I can write in third quadrant minus, will get 3 by 5. So this is cos theta, right? Cos theta equal to minus 3 by 5. I can substitute here 1 minus 3 by 5 by 2 minus you will get 5 minus 3, 2 by 10. So minus 1 by root 5. Your answer is minus 1 by root 5. Minus 1 by root 5. That will be your answer. Minus 1 by root 5. Next one. Number of solutions. Number of solutions of the equation. Number of solutions of the equation tan x plus secant x is equal to 2. So they are talking number of solutions. Number of solutions of the equation tan x plus secant x is equal to 2 cos x. Number of solutions of the equation tan x plus secant x is equal to 2 cos x lying in the interval. So they are lying in the interval. They are asking here x belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. X belongs to 0 comma 2 pi is x belongs to 0 comma 2 pi is. So 0 comma 2 pi, one complete rotation, right? So they are asking in the first 4 coordinates. So x belongs to closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. So in this problem, the given option solutions are 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Be careful when you are doing this problem. Why? Because you simplify this. I can write tan x plus tan x 1 by sin x by cos x. So 1 by cos x. If I write this one, you will get sin x plus 1 by cos x equal to 2 cos x. Immediately I should write cos x should not be equal to 0. The first step we should do that. The denominator have cos x. We can define this whenever cos x should not be equal to 0. You write immediately cos x not equal to 0. When cos x is not equal to 0 means x should not be equal to pi by 2, right? Or it is not odd multiple of pi by 2. You remember this point. Now if I do this, sin x plus 1 equal, you will get 2 cos square x. So this one I can't convert into cos, but this one I can convert into sin. Cos square x you replace with 1 minus sin square x. Then you transfer one side. It will be 2 sin square x plus sin x. This is 2, it's transferred this side, minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. I can find the like factors of sin x. This again I can find here 2 sin square x plus 2 sin x minus sin x minus 1 equal to 0. You take 2 sin x common here, it will be sin x plus 1. Take minus common, it will become sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Now the factors are sin x plus 1, you can see here sin x plus 1 into 2 sin x minus 1, right? So you will get sin x is equal to minus 1, but here you should be careful. If sin x equal to minus 1, I will get sin x equal to minus 1 and sin x is equal to 1 by 2. The people immediately they will remember. So sin is positive in two quadrants, first and second, two solutions. Sin 270 is minus 1, 3 solutions. Immediately they will mark 3. That is not right. You mentioned here cos x not equal to 0. Definitely here you will get x is equal to, you will get 270 degrees 3 pi by 2. But I should not consider this. I should not consider the reason cos x not equal to 0. So since cos x not equal to 0, I should not consider this. Only this one, sin x equal to 1 by 2. This is positive. So here we will get two values, right? So x sin 30 and 150 you will get. So you will get 30 degrees, even 150 degrees, right? At these two values, sin will be 1 by 2. So two values you will get. So your answer is 2. The number of solutions is equal to 2. This. Now you can see here. Now if you any doubt ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ sin pi by 18. The value of sin pi by 18, sin pi by 18 plus sin pi by 9, sin pi by 9, the value of sin pi by 18, sin pi by 9 plus sin 2 pi by 9, sin 2 pi by 9 plus sin 5 pi by 18. Now you can see this is the problem. Pi by 18, pi by 9, 2 pi by 9, 5 pi by 18. So this is the given problem, right? Sin pi by 18, pi by 9, 2 pi by 9 plus sin 5 pi by 18. So this value they are asking. So the option is given sin 7 pi by 18, sin 7 pi by 18 plus sin 4 pi by 9, sin 4 pi by 9, sin 4 pi by 9, another one 1, next cos pi by 6, cos 3 pi by 7, the fourth one, cos pi by 9 plus sin pi by 9. I will write this one, this term, sin 4 pi by 9 plus sin 7 pi by 18. So these are the options. Which option they are asking, which is right here, right? So this is the problem they are given. This is sin 4 pi by 9 plus sin 7 pi by 18. This is the first option. Now you can see this is the problem here. This if we convert in terms of degrees also you can do it quickly. This one. This is actually 10 degrees, right? So the given problem is sin 10 degrees. So they are given here sin 20 degrees, sin 40 degrees and sin, you can see 50 degrees. They are asking this value. So sin 10 plus sin 20 plus sin 40 sin 50. Now just you apply what sin 10 sin 50 I can consider. So this is sin 10 sin 50. Consider these two, sin c plus sin d. Use the formula here, sin c plus sin d. You can use 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2. You get 10 plus 50 by 2. 30 degrees. And cos 10 minus 50. So 10 minus 50 minus 40 by 2 minus 20 degrees. Correct. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Again for these two. For these two apply here again same thing. You can apply 2 sin c plus d by 2. 20 plus 40 60 by 2 30 degrees. Into cos. Again 20 minus 40 by 2 minus 10 degrees. Minus 10 degrees. This will come here. 2 into sin 30 1 by 2 cos of minus theta cos 20 degrees plus 2 into sin 30 1 by 2 and cos of minus cos theta will be cos 10 degrees. It will come like this. So the value will do cos 20 plus cos 10. All answer in terms of sin here cos. So this is not your answer. So 1 is not your answer. And cos pi by 9 cos 20 plus the given sin 20. This is not your answer. So your answer is first option. How? You can see here, this is, you can observe here. Cos 20 is sin 80. Cos 10 you will get sin cos 10 sin 80 it comes, right? I written wrong here, you can see this one 20 here. This we can see here. This is sin 80 and this one this is 70. Sorry, this is 70. Convert into some 90 minus 20 70. So 90 minus 10 80. So first answer, first option is your answer. Sin 70 degrees plus sin 80 degrees is your answer. Now we can see that next one, if A lies in the second quadrant, if A lies in the second quadrant, if A lies in the second quadrant, if A lies in second quadrant, if A lies in second quadrant, A lies in second quadrant and 3 tan A plus 4 equal to 0. 3 tan A plus 4 equal to 0 they have given. Then the value of 2 cot A minus 5 cos A minus 5 cos A plus sin A. They are asking this value sin A. What about this value they are asking? You can observe here. This value they are asking here. They are given A belongs to second quadrant. 3 tan A plus 4 equal to 0. So I can write here tan A equal to, I can write minus 4 by 3. So second quadrant, sine and cosec only positive, remaining functions are negative. So I want cot A, cos A and sin A. So we know that if we use here, in this problem, the given answers are given minus 53 by 10, minus 53 by 10, 23 by 10, 37 by 10 and 7 by 10. These are the options they are given. So tan A equal minus 4 by 3 means you take the triangle here 4, 3. This will be 5, right? Use right angle triangle, right? So this is theta here. I can write 2 into cot A. Reciprocal of this, you will get minus 3 by 4. 5 into cos A. What is cos A? Here you get 3 by 5. But in second quadrant, minus 3 by 5. Plus sin A. Second quadrant, sign is positive. You will get 4 by 5. Right, you can simplify now. So this will be 2 minus 3 by 2 minus minus plus 3 plus 4 by 5. You can simplify this. You will get the value of, you are simplifying this, you will get the here 10. So minus 15, you will get 30 plus you will get 8. 23 by 10. Your answer is 23 by 10. 23 by 10 is your answer, right? The next one. The value of cos square 48 degrees. The value of cos square 48 degrees. The value of cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees. Sin square 12 degrees. Root 5 plus 1 by 8. The first option. Root 5 minus 1 by 8. The second option. Third, root 5 plus 1 by 5. And fourth option, root 5 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. These are the options we have. You can see this is cos 48, cos square 48 minus sin square 12 degrees. You remember, suppose this is A, this is B. So it is like, you know here, cos square A minus sin square B. We have formula. Cos square A minus sin square B, cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So this is the formula we have. Use this formula. Cos of A plus B, 48 plus 12 into cos of A minus B, 48 minus 12. So this will become 48 plus 12 cos 60 degrees. Correct. This will be 60 degrees. So this will be 36 degrees. So I can write cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 36 we can write root 5 plus 1 by 4. So answer is root 5 plus 1 by 8. Root 5 plus 1 by 8. Next one you can write. If tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7. If tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7. Tan beta is equal to 1 by 3. Tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7. They are given tan alpha equal to 1 by 7. Tan beta is equal to 1 by 3. Then cos 2 alpha equal to, cos 2 alpha equal to, they are asking that value in terms of sin 2 beta, sin 2 beta, sin 4 beta, sin 4 beta, they are asking sin 4 beta, sin 3 beta, sin 3 beta, cos 2 beta, cos 2 beta. They are asking, these are the question they are asking here. And now you observe here, cos 2 alpha means, I can find directly cos 2 alpha. Cos 2 alpha equal to, I can write 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. If I substitute this value, 1 minus 1 by 49 by 1 plus 1 by 49. I can simplify this. If I simplify, this will be equal to 48 by 50. So you will get, right, 24 by, you will get 25, right? 24 by 25. So for which option you will get 25 by 25, that will be your answer, right? So I can check sin 2 beta. When I am talking about sin 2 beta, so sin 2 beta equal to, I can write in terms of tan, 2 tan beta by, I can write 1 minus tan square beta, or 1 plus tan square beta, 2 tan beta by 1 plus tan square beta. So sin 2 the 2 tan, sin 2 theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. If I substitute this 2 into 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 9. So you can see no way chance to get 25 by 25 here. You can see, you can verify here. So if I verify this, if there is no chance to get 25 by 25. This is 2 by 3. Simplification not equal to this. So this is not your answer. Because you get 10 by 9. So you won't get that value. No way chance to get that. Now you can see sine 4 beta. So before finding sine 4 beta, same way, if you find that sine 4 beta, so if you take sine 4 beta, 2 tan 2 beta by 1 plus tan square beta. I want tan 2 beta. So tan 2 beta equal to, 2 tan beta by, I can find here 1 minus tan square beta. I can simplify this. You will get 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9. You are going to simplify this. So you should know this value. This will come 2 by 3 into 9. We can see you will get 2 by 3, 9 by 8. So you get 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. We get 3 by 4, right? This value we get 3 by 4. Now I have verified here, right? That will be 3 by 4. Just you observe here. So this value is 3 by 4. I can substitute here. If I substitute 2 into 3 by 4 by 1 plus 9 by 16. So you will get this one 3 by 2 into 16 by 25. So 2 8 3 8 24 by 25. So your answer is sine 4 beta is your answer. Sine 4 beta is your answer. Next one. If tan theta is equal to a by b. If tan theta is equal to a by b. If tan theta is equal to a by b. Tan theta equal to a by b. Then b sin 2 theta, b cos 2 theta plus a sin 2 theta. So equal to, they are asking that value, a, b, a by b, none. So these are the answers. Tan theta is given directly, we know the formula cos 2 theta sin 2 theta. So they are asking b into cos 2 theta. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. A into sin 2 theta. I can write 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So you will write this b into 1 minus a square by b square. 1 plus a square by b square. So a into you will get a by b by 1 plus a square by b square. 1 plus a square b square. You can see if we simplify this, you will get b into b square minus a square by b square plus a square. This one you will get. You can take it up, 1b get cancelled here. So this will become here. I can multiply this. So you will get, this is 2 also, it will be there, right? 2a by b. So you will get 2a square b by b square plus a square. Now you can simplify here. So I can take it this way, simplify here. I can take it b common, both are same denominator. Take b common, you will get b square minus a square plus 2a square by b square plus a square. So this one get cancelled with this. B answer will be b. Why? Because b square minus a square plus 2a square is b square plus a square. So the result will come, answer will be b. You will get the b right. The last problem, the 15th one. If for real values of x, if for real values of x, if for real values of x, for real values of x, for real values of x cos theta equal to, if for real values of x cos theta equal to x plus 1 by x, then options are given. Theta is an acute angle. Theta is an acute angle. Theta is acute angle. Theta is right angle. Theta is right angle. Theta is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. No value of theta is possible. No value of theta is possible. No value of theta is possible. See, in this problem, they are given x plus 1 by x, remember. So x plus 1 by x it never be equal to 1 or less than 1. Cos theta lies between minus 1 and 1. Why? Because you take x plus 1 by x. Remember, am greater than or equal to gm, geometric mean. So x plus 1 by x by 2 greater than or equal to, you will get x, geometric mean x into 1 by x. So you will get x plus 1 by x greater than or equal to 2. The minimum value of x plus 1 by x is 2. When the minimum value of x plus 1 by x is 2 means, so this is not possible. So no value of theta is possible. So this is our answer. No value of theta is possible. Why? Because here you got minimum value of x plus 1 by x is 2. So we can't find corresponding theta to get 2 like that. Why? Because maximum value of cos theta is 1. So there is no value of theta is possible. So with this almost I completed multiple choice questions of exemplar. Next section I am going to do all fill in the blanks. So the next video I will do that. Thank you.